Before you read my blog, I am going to run you through how to play Codenames, Sushi Go, and Cryptid Cafe while also explaining some of my experiences while playing them. Codenames is a team-based word-guessing game where players split into two teams, with each team choosing one spy master while the rest act as guessers. A grid of 25 word cards is placed on the table, and only the spy masters can see the key showing which words belonging to each item, which are neutral, and which one is the assassin. On each turn, the spy master gives a one-word clue followed by a number to help their team guess the correct words without choosing the other team's words or the assassin. The guessing team can make as many guesses as the number given, plus one extra, but their turn ends if they pick the wrong card. The game is won when a team successfully guesses all of their words first, or if the opposing team selects the assassin. When we first played Codenames, it took a while to understand the rules and we were confused about how turns worked. I also noticed that the clues were easy to misunderstand, and as fewer cards remained, it became harder to give hints without accidentally pointing to the wrong word. Sushi Go is a fast-paced drafting game where players try to score the most points by collecting different types of sushi cards. At the start of each round, each player is dealt a hand of cards depending on the number of players, and players choose one card to keep before passing the rest to the next player. This continues until all the cards are used. Different sushi combinations score in different ways, so players need to think strategically about which cards to keep while also paying attention to what other players are collecting. The game is played over 3 rounds, and the player with the highest total score at the end wins. At first, Sushi Go looked easy because of the bright colours and pictures, but I soon realised the scoring and card combinations were more complicated than expected. I also noticed that strategy mattered more than luck, and choosing the right cards at the right time made a big difference. Cryptid Cafe is a cooperative card-based strategy game where players work together to run a cafe that serves mysterious creatures known as cryptids. Each player takes turns drawing and playing cards to prepare food, complete orders, and manage resources while new challenges appear during the game. Players must communicate and plan their moves carefully because each order requires specific combinations of cards, and the whole group wins or loses together, depending on how well the cafe is run. When we first opened Cryptid Cafe, it looked interesting, but complicated because of all the cards, tokens, meeples, and a long rulebook. After a few rounds, the game made sense, and completing orders felt satisfying, while also including role-playing elements through the cafe theme and player roles. Thank you so much for listening. Enjoy my blog.